microfinance. You want to explain real quick what that is to people who don't know?
Yeah, sure. I mean, it's literally just lending very small sums of money to entrepreneurs that are trying to get their businesses off the ground.
Like $50, $100, $1,000.
Like literally hundreds of dollars.
Yeah. Okay.
And then, they structured them in a way where it's like, they're higher interest rates than you would expect, actually. But
they're grouped, right? They try to pair like 5 women together. Is that right? Or group them so that there's kind of social pressure.
That's exactly right. That's exactly right.
Yeah.
So it's like 5 women will sign up for loans together, and then they are all responsible for each other's loans. And there's a bunch of interesting rules, like they can't be family members. They all have to live in the same community. And so, that's kind of like, that's how they secure their loans. But then they also tried to really be helpful and like provide consulting services. And that was like where I came in. It was like, great, we'll bring you'll help people. And so we would do little money management classes and like basic accounting workshops. Sometimes I got to like get really involved with some businesses, and you'd say, hey, I know that you have 3 different businesses going on, but once you separate them out, you realize like one of them's losing money. And so like, it was a really tough concept to be like, if you work less hard, you'll make more money.